Meaning I want to build my battle station. A super mega battle station for gaming or anything. I don't
Doing
know.
homework, you need a battle extension to do homework. You're gonna battle your homework.
Yes.
Your office work.
What I need. We need what I
What
need.
you need to start with is the gaming mouse pad.
Oh yes, you gotta check this out. How are we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and you gotta check this super mega LED gaming mouse pad. This is extra mega large. This is what we talk the mega. Check this out. And it's humongous. Nice. But not only that it's big, all around here is all LED around. You can change colors. Now, let's go back on the table. It feels real nice to start off to get a nice working area. Even for me, standing up now, it's different. It had the feeling on the table. But it's nice now that I can have a big working area of the mouse, right? And now you put your keyboard, so your keyboard stays where it's supposed to stay. Do not slide. In my case, I do have some editing tool right over here. I can put that there. That doesn't go anywhere, and you see everything has a good flow that way. But the nice thing is we can plug this into the side right over here, and I'm going to move this around. So now we can change any color. We got green, we have blue, whatever you prefer color. Also, it can rotate colors. I think they call it a heartbeat. And yellow, and after you rotate all the color, the next is the heartbeat. This is like a white, this is red, and this one, yeah, that's it. See, this starts changing color, so it's going to go through all the colors, or you just can leave your preferred color. And for me, I like the red color. See, it's nice. So you want this thing to look real cool. You really want to build a battle station? Check this out. So one you have this, right? That looks pretty cool. So yeah, when people come in, I mean, my view is even better from the camera. The camera is a lot of light that it's getting from the actually
way good.
Yeah, from the actual display, it's giving me a lot of light right now. But you want to kill everyone, you want everyone to get jealous, you go like the boomba.
And you know what? I just had an idea. I think this is an awesome setup for children. Like if parents are trying to get their children to do their homework in a happier way, I mean seriously, that's the way.
This thing looks freaking awesome. This thing with all the light outside, and people come to this room, you know, and they say sometimes I shut everything and leave this like this with the LED lights we had underneath the tables. That looks freaking awesome though. Yes. Everything goes like wow. And shut the monitor off. It's bringing a lot of light to here, so it looks real cool when you walk at night. So, how we do this? I want to get this, and I want to get that too.
So, all you need to do is go to the link below and
build two links.
Battle station.
Yes,
links, correct.
Yeah, the super mega mouse pad. I love this thing, and also this keyboard, the MX. Keyboard. Yes, this is a mechanical keyboard, and MX blue. All right, so now we can see the whole thing. Just bring the table down and it's perfect. Like Menina was saying, all the information is right below. But guys, now you can see the whole thing, what it looks like.